Hey, this is Bruce Naylor, and today we're doing an unboxing and first look of the Logitech G413 Carbon Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. It's kind of a mouthful, isn't it? I think my wife believes I have a true weird obsession with keyboards, and it is true. I own a lot of different keyboards. My all-time favorite was the Apple wired keyboard. I loved that keyboard until I discovered mechanical keyboards. Now, I've owned a Logitech G413 gaming keyboard for, I don't know, like 2 years now. I bought it used off of eBay, so I really don't know what kind of life it had before I got it. But I do know now that the keys are not starting to actuate when I press them. So it's on its way out. So I started shopping for a new keyboard. Looked at a lot of different reviews. And I do have a bit of a bias for Logitech products. I love their mice, and I've normally had great luck with their keyboards. And so I decided to go ahead and get the Logitech G413 gaming keyboard. Now this is $89.99 or 89 bucks on Amazon. Link down below if you're interested in purchasing one of these using my affiliate link, and here it is. This is about a 2.5 pound keyboard. It measures 17 inches, like 17.5 inches in width, a little over 5 inches in height, and about 1.25 inches in depth. And I've got it written down in millimeters. It's 132 millimeters by 445 by 34. What is impressing me the most about Logitech keyboards, I think you get pretty good value. This is the Tom's Guide Editor's Choice winner right here. Now there's a slightly less expensive model for 79 bucks, and it is the K840 mechanical keyboard from Logitech. And other than not having the gaming function or the LED backlight, pretty much sure it's the same keyboard for the most part. So let's go ahead and open this up. I did cut the tape before I started recording, but let's see what comes in the box. Logitech normally does a really nice job with their packaging, and there it is. There's a box within the box. So let's go ahead and get this one open. Wait a second. Oh man, that smells good. Only a true nerd or geek would understand what that connection there. So there's the keyboard. They actually did a really nice job packaging this. I'm actually very, very impressed. Oh, there we go. Little side box there. We'll get to that in a second. Some paperwork. And there we go. There's the keyboard itself. Man, this looks fantastic. I got to be honest with you guys. This thing really looks top notch. Let's go ahead and peel open that plastic. As soon as I can. Wow. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Wow, is that beautiful. It takes a hell of a lot to impress me, I'll be honest with you. This thing is drop dead gorgeous. This is aircraft grade aluminum. The keys are backlit one color. Red if you get the carbon. If you get the silver version, then it's backlit in white. You have the Roamer G keys. So this is, I know on the Logitech G413 they use the Cherry MX Brown with an O-ring to kind of make it a little bit quieter. But the Roamer keys are Logitech's own thing right there. Let's go ahead and just hear the clickiness of these things. It's nice feel to it. Got a USB cable that is braided. Very nice looking keyboard. You have two USB connectors, and that's because there's a USB pass-through on this keyboard right here. So you can, that's USB 2, so you can like plug in your phone to charge it, or a mouse or what have you. It comes, as I understand, with 12 additional keys. These are gaming keycaps. You know, your WASD keys are shaped a little bit different. So if I can get this open here. Yeah, here they are, right in here. So you get these extra keys on there with a key puller right on there, so you can go ahead and put these WAS keys on there. Got a little bit more of an indentation, so you can feel those. I probably won't use those. I'll just keep it stock. Boy, does that feel good. That is really, really nice. Rated for 70 million key presses. You'll notice that it doesn't have any media keys on here, right? So it's got your function keys. You would hit function, let's take a look here, function F9 through 12. That'll be your media keys. And when you tap function 7, F7, that puts you into gaming mode. And you would download and install the Logitech gaming software to program macros and that sort of thing into it. I probably could have just went with the $79 version, the K840, but honestly, I thought, hey, for 10 bucks more, not bad. This thing feels amazing. It feels nothing like the G413, which is a tank of a keyboard, but it's never been my particular favorite look. And now that it's dying, it just made a lot more sense. Beautiful keyboard, highly recommended if you like Logitech products, and I do. And I'm just going to put it up here in all of its glory right here. I think you'd be very, very pleased with it. Good value for the money. See on the back, we have, yeah, there we go. See that? Oh, there we go. It's actually got little rubber feet if you want to lay it down flat on your desk. Or it's got this riser so you can have an angle. I'll use that. I never really could use a keyboard laying flat down, so I'll have it like that. I'm impressed. I really am. The keys have a nice sound to them. I can actually hear, I don't know if you can hear this or not. Do you hear that? Kind of a little bit of a reverb on that. That's just, I'm impressed. This is, I mean, for $89, yeah, I mean, there's a lot more, gamery type of keyboards out there with lots of colors and all that. But I work for a living, right? So I'm not just not a gamer. I'm just not showing this off. I actually spend all day entering numbers, account numbers, and all that, and then I play some games. So this thing has to do like double duty for me. I think for 89 bucks, I couldn't go wrong on this. I'm really quite pleased with it. I just want to share this with you. And if you are interested in the Logitech G413 Carbon, link will be down that. There'll be a link for the silver version as well, and also the K840 if you're not really interested in more of the gaming features of this thing. Anyhow, Bruce Naylor, Frugal Tech. I think this is going to last me a long time. I think it's good value for the money. I like Logitech stuff. And I don't fault Logitech for this keyboard because I have no idea the history of the keyboard. Maybe something got spilled in it years ago. Who knows how it was treated. Keyboards like shoes. You got to have good, invest in good shoes. Invest in a good keyboard. Hey, I'll talk to you later. Take care.